Evening, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch, Sunday, June 15, 2025. Let's talk about our planet, but let's start off with the sun. This region here seems to be of concern. Right here, we have the potential for some large flares starting up. And this is pretty much Earth facing right now, maybe by tomorrow morning. If these get any closer together, these two as well. Now, please keep in mind, we have a large coronal hole opening. That this section here was yesterday, so we'll start experiencing the faster solar winds maybe tomorrow. Then we'll have a bit of a break. So this is Earth facing right now, but this larger section here will come into Earth alignment probably later tomorrow. Then in 2 days approximately, once again, we'll have the faster solar winds sparking a geomagnetic storm. Please keep in mind that the flare potential is right up here. So if anything pops off here in the next 24-36 hours, it's going to catch a ride with the faster solar winds. As I have given examples before. And don't forget, we're just coming out of a 24-hour period of geomagnetic instability ranging from G1 up to G3, bouncing up and down. It ended here at 0600 UTC yesterday. Now for Australia. First, thank you for the folks who have provided the information that I did not have time to research on. The volcanic regions along the eastern coast of Australia to the mass die-off of marine life reported. Mass die-off of marine life along the volcanic arc. This is a current time. It looks like something starting up around Sydney area. Now I'm pretty sure in Sydney there's not enough industry to produce sulfur dioxide. This is from this morning. Current, actually. So at the same time this morning, there's also an increased of activity at Vanuatu. Normally not this heavy. That's this morning, current time. So we'll take a look at the volcanic regions. So the darker sort of reddish area is lava fields. Purples are scattered lava field remnants and other vents. Yellow is a central shield volcano. And green are seamounts, seabed volcanoes. So please remember the past 2 to 3 weeks, I reported on the heat on the offshore areas here. We also had 2 large earthquakes, one somewhere in New South Wales. A few minutes later, the larger one down here. Other seismic activity from Sydney up to Brisbane. This is passing over, checking over heat. So this is Kilauea. This is a solar farm. It's just the sunlight reflecting off the solar panels is why I ignored. This is not a solar farm. This is fairly recent. So let's go take a look. So I'll have to keep it on this area. Continuing. So there's a 5 to 6 hour period where I'm in bed, so I'm unable to check this. I check it first thing in the morning as I do with everything else. We'll see if there's another burst. Kamchatka Peninsula, volcanoes. China pollution. Anak Krakatau, ongoing temper tantrums. Tajikistan and surrounding areas. Not too sure. I'm gonna make this a wrap, folks. So once again, expect some geomagnetic instabilities tomorrow. For a brief period, it'll wind down a bit and then pick up substantially. That is all.